For this week's crafting experiment, I wanted to challenge myself to upcycle this metal earring. When I originally purchased it, there was this brooch at the same little section that I thought were beautiful and it looked like wings to me. So I figured I would try to attach it to that brooch to give it a little bit something more special. I was able to do this by using some pliers and looping the earring so that it would make a sort of circle. Of course, being very careful so that it wouldn't break, so taking small steps at a time. At first, I tried attaching it while it was together with the brooch, but that kept falling a lot. So I had to work on it by itself first, making that curve so that it would attach a little bit more firmly to the brooch itself. Unfortunately, on my first attempt, the head was on backwards because there were two separate pieces, so I had to undo it and then redo it all over again. And then after, for some reason, the wire kept on going to the side instead of straight, so it made it very challenging to figure out the best way to place the cat. Once it was on in place though, then I used the pliers to really make the curve on the front side of the brooch, and then used it to essentially smush from side to side so that it would just squeeze real nice and tight and it wouldn't fall off. In the end, I'm really happy with the way this brooch came out. It was exactly what I had pictured in my mind, and I was super excited that I could upcycle and save this beautiful earring from ending up getting thrown away. If you enjoyed this project, check out our upcycling playlist that my mom and I have created of our collection of DIYs.